In a world where consumerism often leads to homes filled with items we seldom use, it's time to turn back the clock and learn from someone who mastered the art of keeping a tidy and harmonious home. Grandma. Let's uncover the secrets to decluttering and organizing your space, just like Grandma did, with simplicity, creativity, and a touch of nostalgia. Secret 1. Everything has a home. Grandma's first rule of thumb was that every item, no matter how big or small, had a designated spot. This principle is foundational to avoiding clutter. When items are used, they're returned to their rightful place, ensuring order and preventing the accumulation of random piles around the house. Implementing this requires an initial organization phase but maintains a cycle of tidiness long. Secret 2. Use it or lose it. Grandma regularly assessed her belongings with a critical eye, especially focusing on the practicality and usage of items. This wasn't about minimalism for aesthetic's sake, but a pragmatic approach to possession. Items that hadn't seen use in a year and held no sentimental value were passed on, sold, or donated, making room for the truly important thing. Secret 3. The magic of baskets and boxes. Utilitarian yet aesthetically pleasing baskets and boxes were Grandma's go-to for groupings of similar items. This method not only kept things organized but also added to the home's decor, demonstrating that functionality doesn't have to sacrifice style. Fabric squares, old crates, or even repurposed packaging could become beautiful, thematic storage solutions. Secret 4. The one-in-one-out rule. To combat the ever-growing tide of possessions, Grandma adhered to a simple yet effective policy. For every new item brought into the home, another had to leave. This rule curbs the gradual increase of clutter and encourages thoughtful consumption, making us question the necessity of each purchase. Secret 5. Daily decluttering minutes. Setting aside just 5 to 10 minutes a day for decluttering can have a transformative effect on your home. Grandma made this a ritual, choosing a drawer to organize, a shelf to dust, or a pile to sort through each day. These bite-sized tasks make decluttering less daunting and more manageable. Secret 6. Repurpose with purpose. Grandma was the queen of repurposing, finding new uses for items that might otherwise be discarded. This approach not only reduces waste, but also sparks creativity in finding new solutions for old problems. It's a testament to seeing the potential in everything and everyone. Secret 7. Paper control. In Grandma's day, paper clutter could quickly accumulate from mail, newspapers, and receipts. She tackled this head-on by immediately sorting mail into keep or recycle piles and making a habit of regularly clearing out paperwork. Today, we can apply the same principles to digital clutter, regularly clearing our inboxes and digital files. Secret 8. Seasonal swap-outs. Seasonal items, from decorations to clothing, were rotated in and out of storage. This not only made space for the current season's necessities, but also kept the home feeling fresh and appropriate to the time of year. It's a practice that can minimize day-to-day clutter and make seasonal changes a joy rather than a chore. Secret 9. Memory boxes. Sentimental clutter can be the hardest to manage. Grandma's solution was a memory box for each family member, a place to cherish selected mementos. This strategy allows us to honor our memories and keepsakes without letting them overtake our living spaces. Secret 10. Clear surfaces rule. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. A clear surface is a calm surface. Grandma's kitchen counters, coffee tables, and dressers were kept mostly clear, hosting only a few chosen items. This philosophy extends beyond physical tidiness to mental clarity, reducing visual noise and creating pockets of peace in the home. Secret 11. The 15-minute tidy. Each evening, Grandma would set a timer for 15 minutes of tidying. This power session involved everyone in the household and turned tidying into a team effort. It's a habit that can prevent the week's wear from piling up into a daunting weekend task. Secret 12. Vertical space utilization. Grandma knew the value of looking up. Walls weren't just for pictures, but for shelves, hooks, and hanging baskets that kept the floor clear and items accessible. This ingenious use of space is especially relevant in smaller modern homes where floor space is at a premium. Secret 13. Wardrobe curating. Instead of a closet bursting at the seams, Grandma's wardrobe was carefully curated. She knew her style, what fit well, and what made her feel good, keeping only those pieces. This approach not only simplifies getting dressed each day, but also aligns with the modern movement towards capsule wardrobes. Secret 14. Functional decorating. Every item in Grandma's home served a purpose, including decorations. This principle of functional decor ensures that beauty and utility coexist, from vases that hold garden flowers to bowls filled with fresh fruit on the kitchen table. Secret 15. Regular reviews. Grandma regularly reviewed her home's contents, especially before times when new items were likely to enter, such as holidays or birthdays. This preemptive decluttering strategy kept her home balanced and prepared for new additions. Secret 16. Sharing and caring. Items that no longer served her but were still in good condition were shared with others. This practice not only decluttered her home, but also strengthened community ties and supported those in need. Secret 17. Digital decluttering. Though Grandma didn't face digital clutter, she'd appreciate the parallel in managing it today. Regularly cleaning out digital photos, emails, and files can provide a sense of relief akin to tidying a physical space. Secret 18. The joy of empty space. Embracing empty space was one of Grandma's keys to a serene home. Not every shelf needed to be filled, and not every wall needed decor. Empty space offers breathing room for the home and its inhabitants, inviting creativity, movement, and peace. Secret 19. Homemade solutions. Before rushing to buy the latest organization system, Grandma would use her ingenuity to create solutions from materials at hand. This could be as simple as turning an old ladder into a bookshelf or using curtain rings to organize scarves. Secret 20. Legacy of letting go. Above all, Grandma understood the importance of letting go, not just of physical items, but of the guilt, obligation, or emotional weight they may carry. This legacy of letting go, of understanding that our possessions don't define us, is perhaps her most valuable lesson. Grandma's secrets to managing household clutter are as much about maintaining a tidy home as they are about cultivating a mindful, intentional lifestyle. By adopting these age-old strategies, we can create spaces that reflect our values, nurture our well-being, and welcome simplicity and joy.